Dear students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So how are you students? Completed your breakfast? No? Reading Python completed? Okay. At least complete breakfast. Right. Stand up. Stand up first. Stand on the dais. Stand. So some limitation is required. Something is there. I said breakfast is over and you are doing extra activity. Look at who is sleeping in the class. Watch them. Now go to the first. Now I'm going to enter into the switch off. Now I'm going to enter into the another concept. Last class, we already completed the concept of what? So we had a discussion about accessing the data. Accessing the data. How many ways are there to access the data? By using LOC, by using ILOC, header, describe, so many things I said, right? Sit down. Sit here only. There only you sit. Where is your bag? Take your bag. No, keep that side. Open your notes. Now coming to the point of it. Now we'll move to the further. Come in. Last class I already said filtering also done. Filtering also done. Did you work on it? Yes. So these are the things we worked on it. And today we are going to how to get this data, how to get this entire thing, how to export the data also I said to CSV I said. How to get these values, how to get this data accessing, filtering, all those things I said. Today we are entering into where? Filtering as well as what? Updation. Updation we are going to do it. So now I'm going to open it. I hope you are remembering students. You worked on it? Yes. Now I'm going to start with entering into conditional, adding new column concept also done. Conditional filtering also done. And next is called what? Filtering as well as what? Updation. This is another important concept I'm going to enter into this. So careful students. Now I'm going to enter into the concept of data filtering. So as well as we'll discuss how to deal with the missing values also. Let us start with find us data filtering as well as what? Updation on the data frame object. That is called conditional based updations I'm going to take. What is the syntax here? What is the syntax? Come on. Data frame object dot LOC compound condition. First I will take what? Compound condition. Compound condition gives you what result? Boolean result. That Boolean result, if I pass to LOC, it will give you the data. In that data, you take the column name. In that column name, you put the expression. Now I'm going to take up the result called what? Percentages I want to calculate. Let us directly go to the example. So see that once again, compound condition. Compound condition is nothing but what? More than one condition I will apply. More than one condition I will apply. Let us take example. Through an example, I will go for it. Very, very important. Very shortly, we'll enter into the, after finishing this, separate topics. I'll go to the case studies discussion. Can keep it in the projects, in the NumPy directly. So where you can fit for analytics engineer, analysis engineer. Let us go to this place, data frame object. So I'm going to do it on what? Examples on data frame, filtering, and what? Updations. Right. Let us take this example. Now I'm going to take it. Okay. Now let us Move to the further. Here I'm going to take up and import as usual. Pandas as what? PD. Pandas as PD. Now I'm going to take it. Read one CSV file. Get the data frame. Get the data frame from peoples.py. Peoples dot what? Py. Peoples.py. Sorry, CSV. CSV. So df is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV. I'll tell you JSON file also, Excel file also, that are easy. Most of the time you'll come across what? CSV file. Let us take that part. Already you know, students, take this part and take care. So now I'm going to take up SV Raghava. So for certain things, there is no answers. With certain things, there is no answers. So when we expect a Django classes, my dear student, that is a very difficult question for me to answer it. Peoples dot what? CSV. Peoples dot CSV. Whatever subject I will handle, I'll make you diamond. 100%. That is my intention also. Print off what? DF. DF. Because after 4 or 5 years, after 10 years, if you attend the same class of pandas in anywhere, you have to remember my class only. That is my intention, that I feel hungry for every day. This is my data. This is my data. Now I'm going to enter into the further. This is my data. What I need now, I want to get the people who are living in AP. How many people who are living in AP? AP. How do I write it? DF of. How do you find out? For such things are given, you say first DF dot. If such question is coming, find the number of people who are living in AP, or find the number of people who are name of the people who are living in AP. There is a group by concept is there. At present, what you will get it, I am going to give you. First, when such things are given, here 3 things are there. 4 columns only there. 4 columns. 4 columns means what? Easy to find out. There are 20 columns are there. Sales forecasting. Amazon sales forecasting case study also I'll tell you. Amazon case study. Yesterday I prepared that case study with 7 hours I prepared. 7 hours I prepared. I made it ready. Amazon sales forecasting. So employee salary forecasting. I prepared it. So I'll explain. So here I am going to say, now I am going to say, how many columns? What is the concept? Find the number of people who are working, who are living in AP. First find out the on which column they are asking. DF dot what? Columns. DF dot columns. What are the columns? CID, name, state, DSA. On which column you are working? State. Okay, beautiful. DF dot. How do you locate the state? State of. State of. If I say state of, what is coming? All states are coming. In that state, what I want to find? AP. AP. It will give you what? First one false, true, false, false, true, false, like that. You will get what array? Boolean array. Such a Boolean array, you pass it to whom? Data frame. Data frame. What a beautiful subject. DF of. DF of. You say, who are coming? All the AP people are coming. You can say what? DF dot what? LOC. DF dot LOC. You can say like this. Okay. Very good knowledge is there. Very good knowledge is there. Dot, comma, semicolon, like that. That also will give you the same thing. Under that, I want to find the name of the people who are living in AP. I'll say what now? Name. So this is called C, like this. Point to point, you need to get it. Are you able to follow? Right. That thing I want to change to Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. I want to change it to AP is there na AP. This is called what? Filtering. How many people are living in that? For example, if you want to get it, here I will go for it. Here I will go for it. This I am going to write it. I am going to write it. In this place, I am going to apply simply what? LEN off. How many people are living? 7. Like that. Like that. Suppose I am going to tell you sales forecasting analysis project, I will tell you. How many people are buying with a credit card whose name is Mastercard? Mastercard. So I want to find out the people who ordered AM and PM sales. Even evening time sales are how many? Even morning time sales are how many? Between one time to another time, what are the sales made? This type of great end kind of applications you need to learn. So coming to the point back, I hope you are understanding this. Now I want to go for what? Update. Shall I update it? Yes. Come on. With this concept, we are getting what? Condition is prepared or not? Condition is prepared. Okay. After preparing the condition, comma, see my syntax. What is my syntax? df dot loc, compound condition, you are giving of what name? Column name is equal to expression. You take these things and coming to this place and try to paste it. I am going to take up here and see this now. Data frame. This is for what? Updation. Now, what is my query? Update AP as something like Andhra Pradesh. So I just want to write like this. What is the syntax? df dot, come on, dot what? LOC of df dot. What is the condition? Simple condition it can be. It can be compound condition also. df dot state is equal to AP. Immediately, what is that? Column name. What is the column name? Yes, state is equal to your answer, Andhra Pradesh. You need to go for it. You need to go for it. So it is done. You print what? Print of what? DF. What a beautiful subject. Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Are you getting or not? Yes. Simple. Is it updated or not? Yes. Now I want to go for what? TS I want to change. TS. I want to find out the people who are working as what? Software engineers. So I want to find the name of the people who are working as software engineers. Software engineer is called what? DSC. How do you locate that? How do you locate that? Suppose if you don't know, what is the column name? DF dot what? Columns. DF dot what? Columns. I'm telling the way for you how to easily solve it. What is that now? DSC. Tell me for my satisfaction, all of you. DF of DSG, my dear students, is equal to SC. SC. It will give you Boolean array. True, 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 true. Wherever it is there, they are software engineers. False, false, false means that they are not software engineers. So how do you find out that? Pass it to what? DF of like that. DF of like that. Or dot what you can say? LOC of. LOC of. You can find out. Dot of. You are going to get it. What happens? So here I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. So here you are going to get it. These are the software engineers. Are you following? Now, who are belongs to Telangana state I want. Telangana state software engineers I want. How do you do that now? Multiple conditions required. Correct or not? Yes. DF of L is equal to, this is one thing. Please take care of like this. And what is this now? And can I write under? No. You have to use what? Beautiful. Come on, ma. Next up. DF of state is equal to what? TS is equal to TS. I want to get it. Vaishnavi, software engineer, Bhargavi, software engineer. Who belongs to which state? Yes, what a beautiful subject. I want to update as what? Senior software engineer. We are promoting them. We are promoting them. Come on now, students. Same thing. Come on now. I want to go for, come on now. I want to take it as what? Comma. I will say what? So I'm going to take it as what? DSG. DSG is equal to S or SE. Senior software engineer. Senior software engineer. Are you following me? Yes. Print of what here? DF. Print of DF. Is it senior software engineer or not? Now I want to make it as what? Multiple conditions, how to, multiple columns, how to go for it. Now I'm going to take it DSG, comma, I'm taking it as what? Here I'm writing state is equal to state is equal to state, comma, DSG is equal to what I'm writing. So I'm writing there in this format. See students. So correct? Yes. Now I am going to take up here called what? Pythonist. Pythonist I want to write it. Pythonist. Pythonist. So I wrote it. That means how to update two columns. How to update two columns. It is called what? A list. How many values? Two values. How many values here? Two values. Right? Beautiful. Now you say print of what? DF. Print of DF. See students, here it is going to be what is happening. So it is in this place. What happens? And two values. So here double quotes. Here I will take up. Here I will take up. Now here you see students, you come to this place. Now here, what is happening? What is happening here is equal to state, comma, Telangana, comma, Pythonist. So here, what is the error? Invalid syntax. DSG. Yes. Here I need to write it. Yes, exactly. So exactly that is because earlier it was named as what? SRSC. SRSC condition. We prepared wrong condition. Correct or not? SRSC. Now you try to run it. Now you try to run it. So here I'll try to write it. DSG. Now invalid syntax. One minute, ma, 1 minute, ma. 1 minute, don't hesitate. Let me give some time. Is it okay? DF dot what? LOC. This is one condition. This is one condition. For all of them is one condition. Is done. Remove this part. I hope this thing, you try to run it. Yes. Print of what? DF. Now you see Telangana, Pythonist. It is like this. Are you following? Just bracket problem, that's all. Bracket problem, that is. Suppose, of course, this is done. When I'm going to upload this part, it is cutting, right or not? This scroll bar is cutting for you. For that, I just want to write it something like, I'll say some slash I wrote it. I just want to write like this. This slash indicates what? Continuation part. This slash indicate, all of you students don't think that it is a divided by. Are you following? This is going to be continued. This is for your convenient purpose I am writing it. This is for our convenient purpose I am writing. Are you following me, students? Now I am going to write it. Print of what? DF. So online students, everybody must get it. This is called what? continuity. Getting or not? So done. How many number of people who are living with this knowledge? This many number of people who are living in this place, who are living with this knowledge. So I want to get it. I want to get it. Last and final, I am going to conclude my sentences. Who are working in where? Who are living in Telangana with us with what knowledge? So with the Pythonist, if you want to write it, you take your exact meaning. You don't type it anything because you will get wrong answer there. You copy as it is and paste it. And this is the one. And close the bracket and apply what? Alien of. Yeah. State is called what? Telangana. So you need to take that word as it is. You need to take that word as it is. Are you understanding how to update and all those things? So incomplete input. So df.loc, close bracket, one more. Yes. So this is called one thing. This is called one more thing. This part and this part. So you'll get what? Two people who are having that. One is called what? Pythonist and one more is Pythonist. And other people are not there. Are you getting this? Only thing is bracket close, bracket open, you take care. Okay now? Is it called what? Filtering as well as single value updating, multiple columns updating, and finding the number of them. Are you following? Yes. So last and final, find the number of people, find the number of people and their names who are living in where? Who are living in where? Bangalore. Bangalore. Yes, this I want. Already you know what is this now called? Bangalore. Come on, first df dot loc of. You can write df of also, no problem. Dot loc of. Come on. df of first easy df of state is equal to what? Bangalore. With this, we are going to get what values? Boolean array. Boolean array will come. False means not Bangalore. True means what? Bangalore people. So this I want to pass to whom? Either you pass to df, or you pass to loc. Dot what? Loc. Got it. Are you following this? So done. Next I will go for what? I want to find what? Name I want to find. Name. I want to find the name of the people. Only who are living in where? Bangalore. So Bangalore living people. Here I can write print people names. People's name. People names who are living in where? Bangalore. Who are living in Bangalore. So done. Bangalore. Done. Now I am going to get it, this data. Number of people who are living in Bangalore. Number of people who are living in Bangalore. Now I want to write it. You only tell me now, students. So peoples who are living in where? Bangalore. Living in Bangalore. Who are living in Bangalore. Come on, easy. Ln of that entire thing will write or not? This entire thing I will write it. This entire thing I will write it. This entire thing. Even I don't want this name also. So this close the bracket. Ln of. Yeah. Here Ln of. Yes. Number of people who are living in Bangalore is how many? 5. Are you okay, students? Yes. Is it easy to filter or difficult? Easy. After filtering, what is that? Updation also easy. Only thing is the beautiful condition you need to follow. Understand, ma? So let me go for giving little detailed syntax here. So here I am writing syntax 1. This is what? Syntax 2. What is this now? Simple condition. Simple condition means what? One condition. Let me write it. The same thing. Multiple possibilities I will give you. 3. Compound condition column name 1. Next is what? Column name 2. Column name 2. Column name 2. That too you observe it. Multiple columns, how I changed it. You see this. So here, Pythonist example, this part. Now, this invalid syntax, you just try to eliminate that things. This is one thing. Are you following me? This is the one which is done or not? The same example is written here. This one. Are you okay, ma? This slash indicates what? Next continuation process. So here I can give it as a multi-level column indexing. If you want, can take this example here. So here, see this ma? Condition. Column name 1, column name 2, so on what? Column name n. Column name n. Column name n. Even in this case also, column name 2, column name 2, column name n. Here also with a simple condition also you can do it. Column name 2, column name n with expression. With a single column with compound and simple. With a compound and simple, multiple columns also updating. Are you able to follow? Yes. So this is a way how you can go for it. I think you are following, students. And this is for percentages and everything. Single level column also you did. For single level things, once if you want, I can take it. So this is the one. So this place, I will keep one example. On single column, I will take it. This example I will take for single column. So here I will write it. I'll write it. Are you okay now? This is filtering as well as updating. Clear? Right. Last and final example. I'll go for little bigger example compared to this. Let us go to this place. Now I'm going to take it. Get data frame data from what? Student, where is that? Student marks. This is my Excel sheet, right or not? This is my Excel sheet. Here I'm going to write it. From where? Student marks 1 dot what? CSV. Don't sit quiet and calm. Stand up. No. Tell me the statement now. Tell me the statement. DF is equal to. ఇక్కడ వచ్చి కొద్దిగా ముందుకు రా. Fast. Book తీసుకొని రా. Get your books. Fast. Stand. Tell me. DF dot. DF is equal to. Silence. రానప్పుడు వినాలి జాగ్రత్తగా. అర్థమైందా? పక్కన మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఏం రాదు. కూర్చో ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడ కూర్చో. ఇక్కడ కూర్చో. No, stand up. Stand up. Sit down here. Come here. Tell me. If you don't know, listen. Only sitting in the class, nothing will come. And once you come across out of this class, you will not fit for anything else. Tell me. Already 24 years or 23 years over. Don't know, unable to open your mouth. And you don't know how outside market is. There are a lot of engineers are there who doesn't have any knowledge. And people are making jokes on engineers. Engine plus near. Engine without water. You understand that? Engineer means they are just a joke format they created. Engineer. Say. And you are talking. Don't think that sir will not observe. In my class, you should learn subject. That's all. There is no other way. Doubt? Doubt you have? Then without doubt, why are you talking? Sit down. Everybody, come on. PD dot read underscore CSV. Need to pass what? Absolute path. అది చెప్పాల్సింది. పక్కన కూర్చొని మాట్లాడడం కాదు. Look at. Go to the place. Here I am going to take up. Come to the class for learning. Right. So I am going to take up. This part I will take it. What is my this one? Student that I will take this. Careful. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. Now I got. Are you following me? Right. Suppose I am having almost so many number of columns are there. 20 columns are there. But I cannot see all the columns. To see all the columns, we will have one option. PD dot set option within the double quotes. Display dot max columns double quotes comma none. I'll tell you that. మీకు అర్థం కాదులే కానీ I'll tell you that. I'll explain. So I'll tell you so many things. In my class, I'm a candle, you are a student. Utilize my light to read the notes. If you try to put the fingers inside the fire, fingers will burn. After that, pen also you cannot touch. That is my class. Did you understand the comparison? Yes, I'm a light. I'm melting to give the subject for you. If you try to keep your fingers in the melt, your fingers will melt. Finally, nothing is there. Follow. Now I'm going to take up. What is my intention now? Calculate the total. Even last class also, one of the column I am adding. Come on, fast. df of new column. How do I add? Total is equal to df of, what is this now? Telugu. Same thing I need to take. Telugu. So already I taught. Once again I am adding plus df dot in df dot Hindi. df dot Hindi. So plus df dot English plus df dot maths. df dot maths. Next, yes, science. So I'm going to do science plus next df dot social. So social studies. Now I'm writing here I will say slash. I'll bring it. Will you understand that? Why slash? Continuity. Where if I take the screenshot of that, this is cutting. That's why. So come out of that, print of what? df. Total coming or not? Total coming. Now I want to go for what? Next, I will go for what? One percentage I want to calculate. Can I calculate the percentage? Yes, calculate. I forget. Print df of percent is equal to df of total. df of what? Total. Yes, total. By 600 into what? Very good. Into 100 of what? I want to round it also. Round. Do you know round? Round off. Comma what? 2. One more bracket. After round. This is open round off. Yes. Is it okay? Yes. Now you calculate what? Print off. Come on. df. Print off df. So there also it is using like that. We are using what? Percent. Are you getting? Yes. Now I'm going to take up, students. This is my df. After that, I want to calculate what? Grade I want to calculate. Grade. Shall I calculate the grade? Yes. How simple it is. Grade. What is my grading rules? Grading rules. Now I am going to take it. Grading rules. Rule number 1. Follow me. This is rule number 1. If the percent ranges between what? Ranges between, I just want to look at here my 75 to what? 100 to what? 75 is called what? Distinction. I want to give. I am updating also, students. Distinction. Correct? Next, rule 2. If my range is what? 75 to what? 65. 65 is what? First class. First class. First class. Next. Next. Rule 2, this is rule 2. Next, rule 3. There is no recorded here. It's not recording part. You have to think sincerely. This is an analysis. Now, what is the next? 65 to what? Come on. 50. 50, yeah? 55. Whatever you like it. What is this now? Second. And rest of the part, that is up to 55. Rest of the percentage. Rest of percentage range is called what? Is what? Third. Third, less than 40, 55, like that, whatever it is. Of course, maybe everything is available. Maybe you take it 60. Just for a purpose of seeing the third, right or not? Ranges less than or equal to what? Less than what? 60 is called what? Percentage less than or less than what? 60. What is that? Third. Shall I go for it? Add. Now I'm going to say, these are my rules. Now add what column? Grade column. Add grade column. Add grade column to the df. df of, come on, grade is equal to none. Just one value, null. Anything. You add something, space, none, null, whatever you like it. Null you want to add? One of the girl is saying null. No problem. Null or none, no problem. Null is called what? String, you write it. No problem. None means directly I can write. Null is a string. Null is not a keyword. That's why. Print of what? Df. So df. Null grade is having null or not? Now I want to update. Can you update it? Who is having more condition, please? 100 to 75 is called what? Distinction. Distinction. Come on. Who is having percentage, ma? More than 75, who is having that? Somewhere else. 14th is having distinction. Come on. First you locate the people who is having distinction. Easy. df of. Very cool. What is my column here? Percent. Very cool. df of percent is equal to percent greater than or equal to 75. Greater than or equal to 75. Okay, enough. You display that what are coming false, false, false. One place what? True. What a beautiful subject. You pass it as what? df dot loc. df dot loc. Okay, I'm getting Sonu is a person getting what? Sonu is a person getting what? Sleeping. Correct? Listen. Whoever is sleeping, my network will follow you. Because there is one program is there. df dot classroom is equal to sleep. My control will come there. And immediately Boolean array passing to data frame, immediately locating. And then I will send you out of the class. Right? Girls, now I don't say anything to girls. Boys means directly gun on the shoulder. Come on now. Say what? Update. What I should write? Comma. To whom I want to modify, ma? Grade. Grade is equal to distinction. 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 Print of what? df. What a beautiful subject. Distinction. Distinction. Got it or not? I want to find the people who got distinction in the class. df of grade is equal to distinction. I directly pass to whom? df dot loc of Sonu we got a distinction. Super. How many people got a distinction? How many people got distinction in my entire place? Ln of. One person got distinction. Super. Next, I want to go for what? Hmm? So your eyes are everywhere. You, like a robo. Satya Gopal, I am not robo, I am a caviar. Right, Satya Gopal? Right, please come to the class. Now I want to go for what? Another condition. Why I look at my student every time? Because I like my students very well. I want to make you to learn in myself. That is my intention. That's why having keen of observation on my students. That is my intention, students. Otherwise, seeing on that, telling some different example which is not useful to the students. No. Come. Next, I want to go for another condition is another rule. What is another rule, ma? See. What is the rule? 75 to 65. 75 to 65. Come on, go. Take the same thing. Can I copy this? Yes. Come on now. Here I am going to say df of percent greater than what? 75. I will write it. I will write it 75 less than 75 and greater than what? 65. 65. Are you okay? Grade is equal to what? First, will it work or not? It will not work. Because this I said you in the beginning days only. Where is that? B less than or equal to A greater than C. Beginning, when you are in school dress, when you are in below 5th class, I said this. A less than or A less than B greater than or equal to C. Beginning of three, biggest of three numbers time. Here, this is an alternative for which operator? AND operator. AND operator will not work out. You have to use this. Big3 example.py. That file name also I am remembering in my brain. So, see students, now I'll go to the condition. No problem, take care. I will go to it. Come on, ma. df of percent greater than what? 75. Less than, oh, no problem. Greater than or equal to what? 65. 65, na? 65. Rule number just 65. No tension at all. Analyze by yourself carefully. And what next term? And bitwise and see how much useful bitwise AND operator. Next I will go to what? Another one I will take it. Another one. What is the same thing you copy? Same thing you copy. What is this now? Greater than or equal to what? Less than what? Yes. Less than 75. Less than 75 because already I used greater than or equal to 75. Okay. Both of them keep it into one more condition. Okay now? This is called relational expression 1. Relational expression 2. Connected with what? And that entire thing is called one condition I am following. This is called a compound condition. Grade is equal to what? First. Very good. Got it. Print of what? DF. What a beautiful example. So, coming to the point of it, 65.83 first. First. I want to find the number of first class students whose names DF of grade is equal to first of first 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 DF of dot LOC like this LOC like this. I'm getting these are all called what students? First class students. First class students. I want what? Names. Only name. Name. I want a name and a hall ticket number also. HTNO. HTNO. Comma what? Name. I want like this. I want like that. One bracket only, yeah? So, HTNO small, చూద్దాం. Okay, small. HTNO small. HTNO small. Name also what? Okay. So, Here I am going to get it. Yes. So this is more than one column is there. Keep it in the bracket. Here logic is perfect. Bracket adjust. Bracket adjusting is not a subject. Bracket adjusting other carefulness. Get it or not? Yes. I want the number of people who got first class. So I need not to write this entire thing. Simply you can write it as what? Ln of number of first class students. Print of. Print of what? Number of students. Number of students. Passed in. Passed in which class? First class. First class. Right? Beautiful. 10 members passed in first class. Number of people passed in distinction. Same thing. You write it. Number of students passed in where? Distinction. 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 I will write it. Distinction. I will write a distinction. Distinction. So I will write it here. Distinction. I will write a distinction. Capital. Yes. I will write it what? Upper of. Upper of. Distinction. Number of students who are in. Distinction small only. It is an STR. We already learned STR perfectly. Dot what? Upper of. Hairstyle is good. Combing any direction. Keeping rubber band anywhere. Like this. Are you following this? Like this. So what is the learning Python is equal to learning about functions, modules. Already beginning. Is it fulfilling or not? Good. Now coming to next online students. Are you comfortable? Now I want to go for condition number 3. All the students in online respond. Now condition number what? Next one, rule 3. Rule 3 I am going. Right. Rule 3. See, rule 3. In the rule 3, what is my range? 65 to 60. Can I copy that? Yes. So I'm copying and pasting, and don't think Karstar is copying and pasting, because my code, I'm taking my own code myself. Done. Tell me, greater than what? 60. 60, 60. Next, less than what? 65. Grade is equal to what? Second. Okay. Right. Done. Print of what? DF. What a beautiful subject. Second. Already second. How to print the name of the people who are passed in second? DF of grade is equal to what? Second. Like this. False, true. Pass to whom? DF of. Just like this also you can say. You are getting all the second class students. Now I will write what? I will get the name only. Name. I will write it what? Name. Yes. Dot what? Lower of. So, got it. Are you getting? Yes. So, next I want to get it what you know. Hall ticket number also if I want. HTNO. Now I am writing HTNO. Now I am saying this entire thing. Are you following that? Hall ticket number and a name. Getting students? Difficult or easy? Easy. So, number of students who are passed in second class. Now I am applying. Number of students. Print of what? Number of students. Passed in where? Second class. So, I'll simply write what? LN of. This entire story need not to write it. Simply I will say. Number of students passed in second class 4. Number of students passed in. Distinction first class, second class, etc. Easy? Python easy, pandas easy. Ye subject chepta subject easy. Whichever subject we say that is easy. NumPy already forget. Forget, I know. Who remembered, raise your hands. You remembered? Sit properly. Now, remembered? Not remembered. Then how can why I'm explaining this much strongly? Why you are not remembering? Tell me, students. You have to remember, students. Fine. Prince, Prince Mahi, Prince Mahi. So are you Prince? Huh? So Prince of Python or Prince of Pandas? So no problem, students. Come to the point back. Now I'm going to the third rule number. Next what? Rule number. Come on. 4. Rule number 4. I'm going to take it. Coming days, the day by day which you are getting in my class, wonderful. Once the pandas is over and once the NumPy is over, you'll feel that I am the bodybuilder in these 3 modules. You'll feel like that. I want to make you to feel. That's my intention. Right. Come on, guys. Less than what? 60%. See, come to the point back. Take your condition, huh? Yes. Come on to the point. Yes. Prepare. Here I am writing. See, students, what is this now? Take it. Can you tell me now how to do it? Just copying and pasting. I'm getting doubt about it. You only tell me now. D of percent less than or greater than or greater than less than 60. Previous one is greater than 60. Yes, less than 60. Less than 60. Is it giving Boolean array or not? False, false, false. 2 places only true. Right? 2 places only true. So, right. Prince Mahi, create Excel data and practice every day. Really beautiful language. Thanking you, sir. Okay. Right. Now I will go to this a Boolean array. Pass to whom? Pass to whom? df dot loc of like this dot like this. So you are getting what? These are the people having less than 60%. I want to update them their grade also. How do I update? Yes, beautiful. Of what? Comma. What is that? Grade. Come on, ma. Grade is equal to what? Third. One more bracket. Yes. So third, print of what? df. Print of df. Come on to the point. Third. Next is called third. Find the name of the people who are passed in third class. df of grade is equal to what? Third. THIRD dot what? Come on. Upper of. Come on. What is this now? This is the one thing. You are going to get Boolean array. Pass the Boolean array to whom? df dot loc of. These are the people who are Rajesh and Rajesh. Passed the same person. For eliminating duplicate purpose, I took same person name. Now, such a person's names I want to take it. I will take it here only. Simply I will take it this one. I'll say their name I want to take. I want to take what? Name. I'm going to take it as what? Name. What is this now? Come on. Rajesh. Now I will apply what? N unique. So, how many? 1. N unique. Already explained. Do you remember? Yes. So, N unique, it will give you. So, like this, 2 people are there. So, 2 people can have same name, no problem. I will say, last and final, I will write it. Print number of students passed in which class? Third class. So, there I will write it what? Ln of that entire thing. This name is not necessary. So 2 students are done. Are you able to follow? Yes. This is about print of what finally? df. print of df. So got it. This data, final data, I want to export. Exporting to whom? CSV file. Shall I export it? Yes. My conditions over now. I prepared my result sheet or not? Yes. Come on now. Export. Export export the data frame data back to data frame data back to what? CSV file. CSV file. I forget. df dot two underscore CSV, two underscore CSV. There is a file name is there. Let me go to my formula sheet. Here I am having to export, exporting data frame data to CSV file. How do you do that? To export a data frame data to CSV file, there is a df.to CSV. Whichever file you want, you can tell it. If you want to export this data to XLSX file, you go for what? XLSX extension you can take. To export the data to what? Text file, you can give you extension called a TXT. You can take all these things. I think you are following me. These are all called a different thing. So text file uploading is going to be very simple, and it is not recommended for you. Exporting to what? CSV file is very, very important. Shall I export it? Yes. Go for that CSV file. Go to this place. Now I'm going to take up. Where you want to go for it? Now see. In this place, if you want, in this place only, pandas exclusive, under the data frame, this place, I want to go for it. Which result I'm going to take it? I'm going to take up here within this. Now I'm going to say 10th final result. 10th final result dot what? CSV. CSV. Take it as what? Slashes. You take it as slashes. Now take it as slashes. Yes. So here data frame data exported to what? CSV file. CSV file. So done. 10th class final result dot CSV I will open. Go to that. 10th class final result is open. Where is that data frame? Where is that result? 10th class final result back. Bottom of that subject. Bottom of it. X alphabetical order. Online students, are you seeing? Online students are seeing on the top of it. No, don't look at here. Bottom place. This one. You go for what? Double click on it. See, my dear students. Are you getting or not? Yes. Getting or not getting? Yes. This is a way how you can go for getting this data. Is it exported and imported or not? I do many of the operations. I can export it back to it. So coming back to this area, here I'll move to this further. So this concept makes you to understand today what? Exporting data to what? CSV file. You can export the same data on which one? XLSX also you can import it. Go to the place, I will say to CSV file. If you want, you can go to what is this now? Export data frame data to which file? Excel file. Excel file. That time I will go to what? Just what now? 10th. 10th dot what? XLSX. 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 Same? df dot to Excel. Yes, to Excel. Here you see to Excel is there a to Excel. I need to use this function. To Excel I need to use it. Here I will write it. To Excel. To Excel. Go to that. Export it to which file? Excel file. Excel file. Once it is Excel file, what is created? Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. In Sheet 1, one Excel file. In Sheet 2 also you can export. In Sheet 3 also I will explain. By default, how many sheets will be created? 3. Do you know MS Excel? Do you know or not? So coming to the point back, 10th class result, I will take it. Bottom of it, you see, my dear students, bottom of it. Is there or not? Open it. What is this now? Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel worksheet, Microsoft Office, comma, separated value. Run this. See this now carefully. This is called what? Sheet 1. Sheet 1. Sheet 1. What is my file name? What is my file name? 10th. 10th is my file name. Are you getting this? This is called subject of. If you go to CSV file, there is no sheet name is available. What is that now? Sheet name itself is called what? File name only. Getting? I can create sheet 2 also, sheet 3 also. With our Python program, you can create Excel sheet also. With the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 also you can create. That will come in Power BI, Power BI admin, Power BI development. In Power BI development, it is also part of our data science. It's a dead easy. How to work on Power BI dashboard. Dashboard concept is there. There we need to work out all type of queries. Simple. Come to the point back. Now I'm going to say, I think you are understanding how to export to the Excel. Similarly, you can go forward. 2CSV only. We are supposed to go forward. TXT file also, which is not a good format to send it. Let us go for that also. What is this now? Go to the same place. What I'm going to say, to what file? Text file. Text file. 2CSV only. 2CSV only. 2CSV only. I'm going to write it kvr.txt. kvr.txt. Exported to which file? Text file, which is not a good format. Text file. Go to the place. Here kvr is created. kvr is created here. Last one you see. Last one. You double click on that. It is going to be like this. It is not a good format. It is not a good format. See, everything grade is somewhere and here it is getting grade. And people will get confused in understanding or not. But when you go to this Excel sheet, this is perfect. This is perfect. Practically, you think about it. This is the original data. This you see, this is called what? Final result. This is always better. Are you following this? So like this, one can go for writing like this. Able to understand? How to export the data also you got it. How to import the data also you got it. Importing and exporting you already know. So I'm going to take up here. This is called what? Pandas. Pandas. What is this now? Data frame. Data frame exporting already written. Exporting data frame to CSV file, Excel files, text files, etc. Are you okay, students? Yes. This is related to what? Pandas filtering as well as what? Updating. This is called what here? Pandas exporting. So I will go for saving it. Put it into your place. Here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to take it. Pandas data filtering and then updating. Done. So go to the place now. Online students. I hope you are comfortable up to here. This is called what? Filtering as well as what? Exporting also. Exporting also done. Okay now? Fine. This is about how to go for keeping the data into updating, data frame how to update, filtering, everything done. Understand? Nice. Now it is a time to see. Now it is a time to see to enter into the another data. Missing data. Missing data. Suppose Rajesh is an absent for social studies. Rajesh is a absent for social studies. What that people center people will tell to me? Absent. They will write absent. Absent means what we will write? For our calculation, absent means what? Zero. Zero. He did not write exam. But for calculation purpose, I'll convert absent into what? Replace absent value with what? Zero. In my NumPy, pandas and etc., absent will be represented as what? Nan. 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 NaN is what? Float value. Present in where? NumPy. Spell out. Opening, moving like that, it is a problem. Interview last tomorrow. Like that. Like that. Interview will say, do you know this answer? Interview will say like that. Then finally, everything is signal only. That's not correct. Speak out. So speak, students. I will observe your lips reading also. Are you acting Tamil actor in Telugu serial like that? Don't do that. So I'm teaching wholeheartedly. You need to speak to me wholeheartedly. Correct? Yes. Shall I move to the further? What is my next example? Handling missing data and filling the missing data with a initial value called 0 or 0.0 or whatever the value you like it. Understand? To find the missing value, there is a function called is null. Spell out. Is null of. Is null of. Spell out. Null of. Okay. To fill the null values, there is a function called fill now. Come on. In the bracket, we will pass the value. Which value you want to pass it. To fill the null values, which function will use? Fill now. Fill now. Fall now. Fill now. Fill now. Now stands for what? Nan. Nan. Which value you want to fill? 0. 0. There is one more function called replace. There is one more function called replace. What is the present in data frame? Data frame dot replace of in underscore replace is equal to nan, N-A-N, comma, what? 0. In place of N-A-N, you fill with what? 0. Replace nan with 0. What is that function name? Replace of. There is one more function is there, interpolation. Interpolate. There is a function called interpolate. Do you know straight lines? Do you know straight line system of circles? You know, you don't know. Okay, leave that. So interpolation concept I am not going to explain, because if I want to go for it, I have to explain system of circles. X square plus y square plus 2x fg something is there, 2gh 2fg etc. is there or not? Formulas గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడం చదువు రావాలి first. Well, let it be. So interpolate is a function. One more is called what? Replace function. One more is what? Fill now. Two things if you know, you are great. That's all. One is fill now. One more is what? Replace of. Now I'm going to tell you that. How many functions to find out the null values? Fill now. Spell out. How do you locate the null values? Is null. Is good. Now, how many functions are there to fill the values? 2. One is fill now and one more is replace. One more is also there, interpolate. You don't become scientist, okay now? 2 things are enough. Go to the next. I'm going to take up, look at my dear students. I'm going to take up examples on finding which values? Missing values and handling and filling which values? Missing values. Right. That's my topic. That's my topic. Yes. So come on. Now I'm going to take up import pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Import NumPy as NP. Why NumPy as NP? For taking null values as nan. N-A-N. N-A-N is what? Float type. Float type. Okay. Right. And who stands for what? Not a number. Not a number. Okay. Now see guys, D is equal to now I'm going to take up first is equal to see carefully. Now I'm taking 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma np dot nan np dot nan first score if you want, first result or first session. Right, done. One student has written first session of JEE mains, 100 marks, one student, another marks, one student did not present to the exam. Nan. Next, comma. What is the next one? Second result. Now there I will write it, colon. Now I am writing 150 NP dot what? Nan np dot nan, comma, what next? Something like 250, comma, what 130, 130. Or I will write what np dot what nan, comma. Next I am going to write it. Third result is equal to colon. Now I am writing here. np dot what nan, comma 250, comma 120, comma 100. This is my data. What is this data? What is this data, students? Dictionary, my dear students. Type of what? D. Type of D. So what happens? So N capital where? Yes. So here, what is this now? Dictive. Is it not looking like dictive? Last class, our beginning days, dictin, list, our childhood days. Why I said? Because to teach this example, I know already 3 months back. After 3 months, I'll tell you this. That's why I taught in the beginning only. So if you want to get it for key comma what value in where d dot items of printer k comma what now v. So this is my results. Are you following? Now convert into what? Data frame. Convert into data frame. How do you convert? df is equal to pd dot data frame of what? D. Print of what? df, comma what? Type of df. What a beautiful subject. Got it or not? So ultimately, I'll print up to here. Data frame, type of data frame. Already you know. Beginning days only we said all keys are taken as columns. You know that. Now I'm going to find out. Come on now, find. Come on now, find what? Find what? Missing values. Find what? Missing values. By using is null. Is null returns what? Boolean array. Boolean data frame. What is this now? Data frame object dot is null of. Come on, df dot what? Is null of. See students, how simple it is. 100 true, false. Null values. Null. Nan means what? True. Is null returns true when there is a nan. False means what? Not a null. Not null. Then next, here also middle true, right or not? Last, these are called what? True. Yes or no? Yes. Now I will do what? How many null values are there? How many null values are there? I want to find. Come on. Simple. I will say what? Ln of what is null? How many? 4. One more way. తెలియదు మీకు తెలియదు. Dot what? Sum of first result place one null value, second result one null value, third result one null value. You know this? What guys, already over? Yes. Where? Series level I did. What is this now? Add off. What it will give you? Yes, this will give you cumulative sum it is going to give you. This add is not working on this area. Are you able to find out? So ln of 4 null values are there. If I count all these things, what is this now? 4. Are you following? Next, you go for this. I go for what? Count off. You go for that. Count off. Total, all 4 times it is going on coming. So count off, add off, and this ln is a suitable answer for it. This count also, this is, what is this now? Dot what? Unique of, n unique of. dot n unique of what is coming? One null value only available. How many times? 4 times. One nan only available how many times? That's all. See, count of n unique of. If you know all the functions in the brain, you can play. Correct or not? But remembering the functions is important. 24 hours, pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Python, until you get the job. Once you get the job, obviously you will remember. Because daily you are working on that area only. Student time is a very danger time. That time you must be careful enough. Okay, students, now go to the place. Now what is this now? Print of what? df. Got it. My dear students, one more small function. I am going to apply one more function here. One more function I am going to apply. What I am applying? Not null I am applying. Not null will give you what? Not null will give you what? False. To find the number of not null values. To find the number of not null value, there is a function called what? Not null. Not null. How to find the number of not null values? Now I am saying print, come on, number of not nan values. Number of not nan values, comma, df dot not null. Not null of. Next I am writing print. What is the next? I will write it. len of what? len of like this. Are you following? Next, number of what? Nan values. What I will write it? len of. What is this now? Is null. Is null. See that. Number of not nan values for number of what? Nan values like this. Are you following? Is it true now? Not null how many? Not null how many values? So 1 minute ma. 1 minute. Remove. 1 minute. You say this. You say this. Not null. Is not null. 1 minute I will write it. Is not null not there. df dot. What is this now? Not null. Not null of len. Just I am writing. So what is this now? 4. 4. What is this? 4? No. So it is totally 8 are there. So this not null function is giving why it is giving that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. But why this not null implementation is giving? So leave it. Leave it. This part. What is this now? Suppose it is not knowing. For example, what he will do? Write it what now? What is this now? Is null. How many? 4. What I will do? What I will do? len of what? df minus what? len of. What is this answer is coming? len of df how many? 4 values. 4 values. 1 minute. df dot what? 1 minute mom. Count. First row, second row, this one. df dot count first row, second row, third row. What it is counting? Not null values. You know already it is called what? Not null values. So I will go for what? Size. Already you know this size. Attribute that is. Attribute. Totally how many values? 12 values. 12 values. 12 values or not? Minus. What I will write it? These are called a total number of values. Minus what I will write? len of what? df dot is null of. Is null of. It will give you what? 8. So I will write a number of what? Come on. Not nan values. is equal to like this. Like this, I will write it. So one more bracket. So like this. Are you following? Somehow we need to get the answer. Number of what? Nan values. Nan values is equal to what? Ln of what? Df dot is null of. Is null of. Is null of. So like this. Totally how many values? 14. You, ma? Number of is null of will give you what? So one more null value I need to enter. Okay, let me take up this. Let me take up this. Here I am going to take up np dot what? np dot what? Nan. np dot nan. So here I will take up convert into what? Data frame. Convert into data frame. I will go for converting into data frame. df of. I'll go for this. Try to do experiment. Data frame. So this type is not necessary. Already you know. Now you try to follow. Now try to follow is null and this you go for it. Is null to find this. I'll apply here as usual for getting this. This also called what here? Last one is called what? True, true, you got it. Now I'm going to get it. Apply the number of what? So ln of what? This answer you say. This answer you say. How many are coming? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is giving what? Number of things. Okay. So here I'm going to say, you try to understand df of print of what you know. You take it, students. df of df1 is equal to df dot what? Is null. Is null. df of is null. Just take up print of what? df1 of. df1 of. Now you say df of df dot df of what I say is equal to df of first result is equal to what? First result is equal to what? True, true. First result true. Next, if you get it, df of df1, yeah, df1 of. So you are going to get this one, ln of you write it. So you are getting is equal to true. First result is equal to true. df1 of 1 minute. True. df1 dot loc of this you try to say true. You say ln of. So you try to write it 1. Similarly, I will write it plus what? ln of what? Second result. Second result is equal to true plus slash. What you will write it? Third result. Third result is equal to true. So you are getting. So third result spelling. Third result, this result, take care. R problem. So take care. So here, how many? 5. Something is, you have to come out of it. To do all these things, reading notes is important. Sir, చదువుకుండా వచ్చేది ఏమన్నా ఉందా? Without reading, only one thing will come. That is called unemployment only. Number one, that is only the gift for you. If you read well, you will get like this. So, these are the number of which values? Null values. Like this, you can find out. Anything is given, you can answer it. 100 by 100 marks, you can secure. Okay. Now the point is, now I will go to the original data. Are you okay? Now it's okay? Right. Now print of what? DF. Go to the DF. This is my original data. Now I'm going to say what? DF dot what? Are you getting, students? So now I'm going to say what? Is null. Is null. Now I got it. Now I want to print what? I want to fill these values with what? 0. How do you fill? Fill which values? Nan values with 0. 0 or 0.0. To fill which values? Nan values with 0. We use what is the function? Fill now. What is the syntax, students? Syntax. Come on. DF dot fill now. Fill now. What? 0. 0, 0. Value. Your own value you need to fill. Come on now. Go. DF dot fill now. Of what? 0. 0. Is it 0 filled or not? Yes. Filled. Got it. Are you following? Yes. Now I want to find some of the, suppose for example, teaching staff salary, non-teaching staff salary. This is the outsourcing employee salary. For example, if that salary forecasting analysis is coming, how do you get this now? DF dot first result will get what? All of them. Dot what I will apply? Sum of mean salary paying to every employee. Dot mean. The deviation of the first teaching staff salary of what? Either variance or STD of. That's all. I want to find the max salary. DF of first result dot max of min of, like that. All everything. The moment when you come to the class, function only. No theory. Theory, already 22 years you enjoyed a theory. That's why out of order. Now this is in the order. So are you following me? Yes. One more example. Fill now. Print what? DF. Print DF. Still containing nan. Still containing nan. If I want to replace, what should I do? DF is equal to DF dot fill now. And print what? DF. This is the data. This is the data. Permanently placed. One more thing if you want. You to print it then and there immediately. Go to this place. Go to this place. Now I am writing. Another way of doing this is printing the dictionary. Convert what? Dict object into where? Data frame. DF is equal to PD dot data frame of D. Print of what? DF. Done. DF dot fill now. Replace what? Nan values with 0. It is okay. Nan you are filling. Tomorrow I will go for Google Play Store analysis. I am doing. There is a lot of plus symbol I will replace. Comma symbol I will replace. So many replacements I will do. I'll tell you the another function called replace concept. Okay. So PD dot PD or DF dot fill now. What is that? 0.0. Of course, in place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true. That is also immediately reflecting in df itself. You need not write df is equal to df dot fill now. Are you getting? Print of what? df. So getting the data. Are you getting? Yes. This is in place is equal to true. See, not only remembering function, you are remembering arguments also. You are not only becoming doctor, you are not only giving the tablet and not only telling before a breakfast time, lunch time, dinner time. You are telling with warm water, with hot, with cold water, after food, before food. You are telling that also. And you are expert doctor. Shankar the MBBS will say anytime you take it, anytime garbage collector will collect away. That is not including parameters also you have to tell. That is greatness. What is this concept is keyword arguments. First one is what? Positional parameter. Already in functions, we enjoyed a lot. Why I said that many concepts? To feel more easy here. Python is so strong. In coming days, only Python is there, students. Everywhere else, BTech CSC in 1 or 2 years over. Total data science, AI with a Python only existing, right? Come to the point. So, Sumit, send all the data set which are in class. Definitely, I used to send it. Now I will move to the further. One more I am going to take it. Come on, one more is what? Replace. Come on, fill. Fill which values? Nan. Fill nan values with what? With a 0.0. With a 5.0, for example, 5.0. Syntax to fill our values. Already I said to fill this same values. I will use it. Here I will use it. What is the function I am using, ma? Say this is I am using what? 5.0. 5.0. Done. Print of what? df. Print of df. Print of df. See students, 5.0, 5.0, 5.0. Are you following me? Yes. Now, I want to go for what? I want to go for what? One more thing I want to go for it. I will use a replace function. We used so far which function? Fill now. Fill now. I'm going to take up here. As I written here, we use to fill nan values with what? 0. Fill nan values with 0. To fill nan values with 0, we can also use what? Replace. Replace. What is that? In underscore replace. In underscore replace. To na anna inna. To replace. To underscore replace. Comma. Value. To underscore replace. Come on here. To replace. What I will write it. This is called what? Replace. What is this now? To replace what I am doing. Nan, comma, you will write your value. To write your value. Yes. Come on now. Come on. df dot replace of df dot replace of same nan. What is the value? 0.0. So syntax error. Replace. To replace. To replace. To replace. So here I'm going to take up nan is not defined. np dot. So here is equal to value is equal to so nan to underscore replace. Okay, nan. Yes. So what is happening here? Not replaced anything here. Replace is equal to replace. df dot replace. Nan is replaced with replace with. Okay, not an issue. I'll show you one small document. It is went off my mind. You just look at, not a problem. Read out now. You'll get it. Come on, start with working with missing data. Read out. Missing data can occur when no information is provided for one or more items for a whole unit. Just now you've seen. Missing data is a very big problem in real life scenario. Missing data can also refer to as an NA. NA is nothing but what? Not available. Values in pandas. Checking for missing values using null. You already done now? Is null. You're done. Is null helping whether the value is nan or not. This function can be used in panda series also in order to find null values. Same. I just written the same. Here, got it. Finding what? Filling missing value with what? Fill now and replace. Same. In order to fill values in data sets, fill now replace functions, this story written. Interpolate also I wrote it, because you don't have the knowledge and interpolate. If I want to tell, I have to tell circles, system of circles, all those things. That much level, that much adventure I don't do with you, because already you studied 4 years back. If I started now, you will tell certain teach 10th class mathematics first. Coordinate geometry you teach. So right now, remember, in further if possible, I'll tell you, come to the point of it. Same, already you have done fill na. Now here we need to write NP dot. I missed what? NP. NP. See, NP. What is this now? NP dot nan. NP dot nan. Yes, no problem. NAN. NAN. You just do that. Are you getting or not? Yes. You are getting something like this. You can just see, even I'm missing this. Actually, nan is called what? Float value. Present in where? NP. Filled with this value. Understand? So here you need to write what? NP dot. This is the data here. So here you written fill now or what? To replace NP dot nan value. That's all. Now I want to, okay, time is 10:57. I am feeling just now I came to the class. Just 5 minutes back I came to the class. How do you remove the null values? What is the function name? Drop now. Drop now means remove the dropping values. Remove the dropping values. So what is that now? What is the function now? Dropping values are there. Now I will call which function? Drop now. Where is that function now? So here I did not write it. Here I will write a df dot what? Drop now. Dropping the values. Those who did not give proper information, I will remove from them. So go to the place. I'll show that also. Are you understanding replace, ma? Yes. Go to the place. Which values I am dropping? Which values I am dropping? Drop. Say what? Drop. Which values? Nan values. From which object? Data frame object. Data frame object. Come on. Df dot. Drop now. Df dot what? Drop now. See that? What is happening? All of them are containing drop. Null values are there. You take it. No data present without that. You take it. One thing with complete data. You take it 100. You take it something like 34. Now you say print of that. Are you following? Now go for what? Dropping the values. You see this now. Dropping the values. Which one will come only? Second one will come. Second one will come. Also, first one also. First one also coming, right or not? Yes. So I will go for printing df. Print of df. What is coming? Original data coming. In order to drop permanently, in place is equal to true. In place is equal to true. Beautiful. In place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true. Print of what? Df. Super. Done. That's all. Easy or difficult? What are the functions you got it today? Filtering and updation, finding the missing values, filling the missing values, dropping the missing values. What are the functions you got it? Huh? Is null, fill now, replace, drop now. Arguments కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Okay, drop now, fill now. That is not now. You have to remember arguments also. So, Shravanti. So for certain questions, answers are not there. When you start Django, sir, for certain things, answers will not be there. So because whatever answers I'm having, whatever subject I'm having, that will be giving. Shravanti, don't feel, ma. Pause, pause keyword I will apply there. Right. Okay, students. Now this is about finding missing values, filling missing values, and next what? And what is that? Dropping what? Nan values. Dropping what values? Nan values. So this is my topic today. Tomorrow I will go for what? Group by concept I will tell you. Group by. So powerful. In India, so many people are there. How many categories of people are there in India? 3. Males, females, transgenders. Number of males, number of females, number of transgenders. Because Election Commission also decided number of transgenders to fight for their rights. One MP seat will be given for them. So they will elect. So they will see the population of it and they will go for it. Because the people are going to apply census now. Calculation is going on. For them, what is happening? How many OCs are there? How many BCs are there? How many OBCs are there? Then some calculation will be done or not. Total BCs in country. Like that. That is called what concept? Group by. Group by. In a company, a lot of people are working. Python people, how many? Java people, how many? Testing tools people, how many? Like that, I want to go for it. Understand? If you take healthcare sector, diabetes in India, blood pressure, how much? Low blood pressure, high blood pressure. So like that, categorization I want. Discrete events I want. I'll go for this kind of things. So, divine AI will replace software engineers. Vani, don't worry about my divine AI that to come all these things, it takes a lot of time. Why don't you become, you are a divine AI developer? Why don't you become divine AI developers? You can become now. So don't think about first for you 30 up to you get 30 years experience, no problem for you. Okay, now you don't think tomorrow that is coming, whether we get the job. These are negative thinking. This is compulsory. You'll get the job. Improve your skill set. Okay, now you are not only one. There are crores of people are working on software field. If divine AI is coming, what will be the situation of everybody? They are on roads. Don't think like that. All of a sudden something will not happen. You remember it. Right? I am listening from my in social studies. We are seeing India is under developing country only from my so many years. It is also like this only. Now it is also developing only. ING dot 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 dot. You studied, I studied, our grandfathers also studied. That's why you require 30 years of working service in the software field. You comfortably work, read the notes. Okay, now that is enough. Okay, students, go to the point. Now, I'll stop my class. Okay, tomorrow 11 o'clock, 4 minutes. Tomorrow class, I'll go for what? Group by concept. One more thing, sorting the values also I'll tell you. Sorting. So many things are there. Thank you. All the best. Students, those who are in the online, no doubts today because already time is over. Time is over, students. Online students, no doubts today. Time is almost over. Huh? Okay. Okay, students. Already anyhow time is over. Don't take. Don't wait. So leave it.